Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So if you want to know how to transfer your Depop balance to PayPal, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you or I will talk about how to transfer your Depop balance to PayPal. So basically Depop doesn't allow to send money to PayPal directly. First you have to link your Depop with PayPal and then you can transfer your money. And in today's video we are going to do that. So to do that, first open your Depop app on your phone. Now tap on this profile icon here in the bottom right corner, and here you can see the settings icon. Just tap on that. In the settings page, now just tap on this preferences. Here you can see there is an option settings, and in settings section just tap on this PayPal. It not connected, so we are going to connect this. Now just sign in your PayPal with Depop. So after sign in with PayPal in Depop, you can easily transfer your money. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.